Hello students, I am Bharti Shinde working as a lecturer in Praveen Patil Polytechnic College. Now in this video we will take example of projection of plane. A rectangular lamina ABCD of AB 30 and longer side BC 50 resting on VP. On its smaller side AB lamina is resting on VP. On its smaller side, AB lamina is inclined to VP in such a way that its front appears to be a square side AB is perpendicular to HP. Draw three views of lamina and find its inclination with HP. So first of all, we will draw a XY line. Give name to this line X. As we have to draw three views, I will extend this line and give name here as point Y. So X and Y. Now rectangular sides are given AB 30 and BC 50. And it is given that keeping AB side perpendicular to XY, because plane is kept in VP and inclined to VP. So we will draw a rectangle in VP, that is vertical plane, and smaller side AB vertical. So horizontal side 50, which is BC, and we will draw vertical side AB as 3. Draw parallel to this line and draw the rectangle. Give name to this rectangle. As this is a front view, so give A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. So BC 50 and AB 30. Now next, we will draw its top view, which is on XY line. And give here names A dash, B dash and C dash, D dash. So this is top view and this is front view. Draw projections by light line. Then inclination angle is not given, so we have to find this, but it is given that front appears to be a square side AB. So this is stage 1. Now in stage 2, front view appears as an square having side AB. So for this, draw projections and now draw a rectangle having side 30. And give here name This is again a front view, so A dash, or you can see, you can give name A1 dash. As already A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash we have covered here. So this is B1 dash, C1 dash and D1 dash. This is again front view. So now for top view, take projections of this front view. As this is a starting point, give here, and this is the starting point. Inclination angle we have to find. So give here names. As in top view, we will give names as A, B, C, D. So here this is not A dash, B dash and not C dash, D dash. So this is only C, D and A, B. Now take, as already we have taken projection from front view, now we have to draw top view, and for this take projection of this top view and transfer from this point up to this, like this. So this is point A1 B1 and this is point C1 D1, and now join this by line. So this is the required angle. We can measure this angle. Which is a 51.5, or you can say 52 degree. So this angle is angle phi, which is 52 degree. So this is front view in stage 2 and this is top view in stage 2. Now we have to draw side view. For this we will draw x1 y1 line. Now draw 45 degree line from this point. And take projection of this top view on this line. And now take this projection vertical. Take projections of this front view also. So we have got points so this is point B double dash, this is point as CD and here C. So C double dash, this is point D double dash and this is point A double dash. And now join the rectangle. So this is the side view and we will write here as LHS view. Show this angle as 45 degree. Now we will give dimensions. So show here dimensions as this AB side as 30 and this AD side as 50. So 50 and this is 30. So in this way we have completed stage 1, stage 2, front view, top view and side view also.